Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome to 101. Today, we're diving into the age-old debate, long-term versus short-term investing. Which strategy is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, long-term investing. Picture this, you're in it for the marathon, not the sprint. Long-term investors buy and hold assets with the belief that over time, the market will grow, providing a solid return on investment. Benefits? Less stress, the potential for compound growth, and historically, the market tends to rise in the long run. Now, let's talk short-term. The sprinters of the investment world. Short-term investors aim to capitalize on market fluctuations and quick price movements. It's all about timing and making strategic moves. Quick profits can be exciting, but beware, it comes with higher risks, more active management, and the need to stay glued to market trends. So, which is better? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Whether you're a patient marathon runner or a nimble sprinter, the key is to have a well-thought-out plan. Remember, the best investment strategy is the one that aligns with your unique financial journey. Happy investing!